How to use Cloak and Dagger in your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is Cloak and Dagger. Now, Cloak and Dagger, I didn't realize how long this idiom has been around. Back as far as the 1600s, the early 1600s, in Spain and in other countries, people were going to plays and performances that involved spies and mystery and intrigue, and many of those stories had the spies and the intrigue and the murderers and the protagonists that would hide their swords and their weapons in their cloaks, so that they would be going around and then they'd pull out their sword, they'd brandish their sword, and then they'd battle or whatever. So Cloak and Dagger became the term that was used to describe this type of entertainment. Anything that involved spies or suspense or secret agents or intrigue or mystery became known as Cloak and Dagger. So mystery novels, mystery stories, murder mysteries, all of the political pieces that we see nowadays on television that involve any kind of battles. A lot of these witch and supernatural shows involve hidden weapons or hidden weapons where they brandish them out of their cloaks. This is as close as I could get to a cloak today, and this is as close as I could get to a dagger, a little paring knife. Daggers are not the kind of thing that I have hanging around my house. I was looking for an ice pick. I thought that would be kind of entertaining. But what does this have to do with our businesses? How can we use mystery and intrigue and plotting and scheming in a positive way in our business? I'm never going to share negative ways to use any of these idioms or any of these sayings in our businesses. Can you? Absolutely. Anything and everything just about on the planet can be used in a positive way or a negative way. It's all wielded by the person delivering that or using the tool or the strategy or the saying or whatever, or the the dagger. I just spilled coffee. Okay. So how can you use this? Well, the first way that comes to mind to me is entertainment. Entertainment gets attention. If there's ways that we can attract our ideal client's attention in an entertaining way, then they will pay attention to us. So if there's a way that you can add some intrigue or some mystery or some excitement to the way you're presenting your products and services, the way you're marketing and letting people know what it is that you have to offer, that's always going to get you more bang for your buck than if you are presenting things in a very stoic, very boring way. Of course, it depends on your business. If you have a very serious business, you're probably not going to use Cloak and Dagger to present that and to share that with other people. But there's a lot of ways that you can. I do a scavenger hunt at the front end of my Supersize Your Business group. And that's just a fun way of getting through the material that can otherwise be considered very, very boring to some people. And so I turned it into a scavenger hunt, which makes it a little bit more fun, right? So you go through and you find the clues to each of the steps that you need to grow and build your business. Experience. If there's a way that you can build some excitement, and you don't want it to be so mysterious that people can't figure it out, but if you can find a way to help your users experience things in a more fun way or a more entertaining way, and that can include your employees, your vendors, your partners, you want to make sure you're having a good experience with your business. Otherwise, why are you doing it? So it reminds me, Cloak and Dagger reminds me of there's different ways to approach every situation. And are you looking for and continually looking for better and better ways to enhance the experience that everybody that comes in contact with you has? I have a saying that I like to leave everybody better for having met me or impact them in some sort of a positive way. Mystery of why people do the things that they do is another thing that comes to mind when I hear Cloak and Dagger, because sometimes we just don't understand what motivates other people, other human beings, and sometimes we never will. That's the mystery of the human condition. Sometimes we know what the root cause of something is. Sometimes we just have to keep digging and digging and digging until we figure it out. But we want to create excitement and positive experiences with us and with our organization so that we can create lifelong customers, so people keep coming back for more and more and more. there's so many examples of businesses that are using this really, really well. One of the companies that I've been associated with for quite a while, several years now, is ClickFunnels. It's a tool that helps you to build websites, basically, or landing pages or funnels for your particular business. And one of the very successful campaigns and things that they've done for the last couple of years is what they call their One Funnel Away challenge. And in that challenge, it's got a Mission Impossible theme. So they've been running that and made tens of millions of dollars on that particular challenge over the last couple of years by using a Mission Impossible theme. They've made it more fun and exciting for people to participate in their challenge by having missions for 30 days instead of just, oh, here's day one of the challenge. Now, as I'm thinking about this, there is definitely a way I need to look at my business and add more fun to my challenge. I'm not going to use a Mission Impossible theme, but maybe there is a mystery or Cloak and Dagger or some kind of other theme that would add fun and excitement to my challenges as well. So that's it. I wonder if you have ever thought, or how do you feel about Cloak and Dagger? Do you like intrigue, murder mysteries, adventure films, things like that? And have you ever thought about adding a component to that to your business and the way you interact with your customers? Now, again, you don't want to make life for them harder. You want to make it simpler and easier. But sometimes just making things a little more fun is a great way to go in our businesses as well. That's it. Go out and have an amazing day. I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. Where does it come from? What does it mean? And how might you apply it to your business right now? Take care.